Ayun na, for today, we will make a storage box. But allow me to introduce ourselves. I'm Jeremy Molina.
I am Marjeline Andergosa.
And we will make a storage box. But ngayon, alamin na natin kung ano ba yung mga gagamitin natin for today's project.
So the materials na ginamit namin is popsicle stick na recycled and glue stick. Tama ba?
Yes. And now, let's begin.